In this video, I'll be showing you how to find hotspot password on the Samsung Galaxy phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Let's say you're trying to hotspot your data to a friend or family member, but you don't know the password and they're asking for it. It's very easy to go ahead and check this. What you want to do is go over to your settings application. Then once you're here, go ahead to connections. Once you're in connections, you're going to see a lot of different things. You're going to see mobile hotspot and tethering as one of the options. Now, of course, make sure mobile hotspot is enabled, but then after you toggle it on, click on the text itself as well. Then what you're going to see is your network name. You're going to see your password and everything as well. And right now, for me, by default, it's just a bunch of letters and one number. But if I want to change it, go ahead and click on it. And then you can just go ahead and change it very simply to anything you want. So obviously you can make it something that's a lot simpler, but make sure it just has a password with at least 8 characters. And then you can toggle it from 2.4 gigahertz to performance if you want to, or anything like that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.